They said it couldn't be done. They said it could not be done. Well, I proved them wrong, didn't I? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video on this beautiful sunny day, as you can see. So today we're going to be doing something kind of cool, something that usually only manual cars do, and I do have an automatic, but we're going to see if we can get that to work. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we have this Mishimoto box, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did open it prior to recording. I was a little bit excited, but doing another like mini unboxing for you guys. Aw, shit. We got our Sparco Racing Attitude. We got our Sparco shift knob that I actually ordered from SoCalGarageWorks. So, let me flip this over so you guys don't see my address. There we go. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. It's actually a little bit smaller than I had expected it to be. But, oh yeah, way smaller than I had expected. And the camera looks pretty big, but in person, it's pretty tiny. So, we're going to be trying to install this aftermarket shift knob onto the 2016 Hyundai Veloster. Now on the website it did say that it was for automatics only, and I know that I had a video prior trying to put a shift knob, an aftermarket shift knob, on my Altima, but that was a complete fail, and I'll show you guys right now. All the way up here. Oh, I can't even shift, bro. What the f***? Wow. I'm f***ing mad. Well. However, this one said that it was specifically only for the non-turbo automatic, so we're gonna see if we can get this to work. Also, it did come with our little like tightening wrench. I forgot what these are called. With the little adapter pieces, I'm assuming, that just go into there. So let's get started. Alright, so before continuing, this is our current OEM shift knob. As you can see, just plain boring, nothing really fancy about it. And then this is the shift knob that we're going to be installing today, which is actually gives it a little more flavor, and it actually looks pretty cool. It kind of goes with the black and chrome pieces of the inside of the car. So let's get our tools and we'll do this thing. Alright, so I hope you guys can see. Now, what you're going to want to do is push this little tab down, and there should be a U-clip in there that you're just going to go ahead and remove with some pliers. And then you should be able to get the OEM shift knob off. Alright, you guys, so I was able to get this off. You actually don't push it down, you have to twist it, and once you twist it you can go ahead and release it. Now let's see. Oh, the C-clip is over on this side. You can kind of see it right there. That's what you need to pull out. Oh, it's too far. Focus. That's the clamp that you need to pull out with the pliers. So we're going to go ahead and try doing that. Oh, damn. We got it out, guys. That's the little clip. And what I had to do, as you saw, I just put in a flathead instead of the pliers. Oh, cool, it's magnetic. But I just put a flathead and just kind of popped it off like that. And alright, so let's get a quick comparison. Here's the OEM versus the Sparco Aftermarket. Alright, and this doesn't have any buttons or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. No overdrive or anything. But if it did, you would just have to push this new shift knob down rather than having a button. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, so here's the aftermarket shift knob. Honestly, I thought it just went on like that, which is kind of silly. It did come with these... Here, let me just... Okay. It did come with these little like rubber grommets. I did rip a few of them off. Now, I did not know that you actually had to test fit it so it could go inside of here, and then you push it down, from there. I thought this was just like for the packaging purposes, but I just saw a little video and that's actually what they're for. Okay, so it looks a little bit ugly, but it's gonna be underneath the actual shift knob, so you won't be able to see it. But I did find one that fit here nice and tight, and I just had to cut a hole into the top portion of it. So put this on, just slide it down. Oh, it takes a little bit of force. God damn. Okay. Twisting it makes it easier to push down. I think about there would be cool. And then we have the Sparco facing us. Oh, that looks pretty cool. I like that. Definitely different. It does sit a little bit shorter, just like a tad bit shorter than the OEM. I believe the OEM sat about there. But that looks pretty cool. So now let's just get those Allen keys and tighten it up, and I think we should be done. Okay, so they're all gonna be like this, like little tiny roly-polies. And it does have an in and an out, so that... Sorry, trying to get the camera to focus. Okay, well, that is where you're going to tighten it from, and on the end it kind of looks like a screw, so obviously you would just screw it in from there. And it does have 4 little holes, so you have to tighten all 4 down, I believe, like so, just to hold it in place, make it more secure. In the bag, it came with about 6, just in case you lose 2. That's not coming off. Alright you guys, so here is the finished product. I think it actually looks pretty sick. I left a little bit of room for 2 reasons. That way, 1, it doesn't scrape back here and leave it all ugly. Also 2, that way I could push it down whenever I need to change up gears. But that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. And I'm actually really satisfied. I think this is super cool. I did get this for about $80 on SoCalGarageWorks. It is a Sparco aftermarket shift knob. There we go. That's sick. Alright, everything is working, guys. That is pretty sick. I like it. It came out really cool. And I know a lot of you in the comments are gonna say, why did I get an aftermarket shift knob if I have an automatic? Well, let me tell you something. Automatics need love too, okay? So just keep that in mind. Not everything is for manual cars. Automatics need some love too. That's what I'm doing. I'm giving my automatic some love. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the shift knob. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up, and share this video with your friends, especially if they have an automatic and they want to get an aftermarket shift knob or just do something different to the interior. I think it does give it a more of a sporty look. I'm gonna go ahead and start up my car, just move through the gears, make sure everything's working, and like I said, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So take care, stay safe, and have a good one. Catch you on the next video. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video from this side. Here, let me show you guys. And that's actually what they're for. So, oh damn, did it just went all the way through? Oh no. Can't get the jack stand out. Not a problem when you got bags.